Each year, about June or July, the club holds an outing. This year, we had a sail on Windermere, ride on the steam train, visited a motor museum, a garden centre, and finished up at a mystery destination for an evening meal. And a good day was had by all. We left Windermere on the 11:30 ferry bound for Lakeside. We would then catch the steam train for an 18-minute journey along the side of the River Levens to Haverthwaite, there to be collected by bus and taken approximately a mile to the motor museum. And in case the weather was again raining, our chairman had arranged that the bus would take us back to Ambleside, where we could shelter until we departed for the mystery destination for the evening meal. Lake Windermere is the largest of the 8 lakes that make up the English Lake District. It is 10.5 miles long and 219 feet deep. Being the most southerly lake, it draws many visitors from towns and cities below Windermere. Manchester is less than 2 hours away. Therefore, there are many activities relating to water along its shores, sailing, swimming, only being a few. At the lower end of the lake, where we shall leave the boat and join the steam train to Haverthwaite, there is also the lake aquarium and other activities. Windermere also has the World of Beatrix Potter and the Brockholm Visitor Centre.
Well, your attention please, ladies and gentlemen, we'll carry a very short around the lakeside pier. For your concern and safety, we advise you to remain seated until the vessel is towed alongside the pier. This vessel will then form the 11:20 departure to Bowness, otherwise known as the Yellow Cruise. For now, passengers continuing their journey to the Lake and Motor Museum, this is where you catch the bus. Thank you.
The journey on the steam train followed the River Levens on its journey towards the sea. It is an excellent trip when linked with the boat journey down the lake.
There's candid camera on me.
Having arrived at the Motor Museum, refreshments were required, and while many took the comfort of the restaurant, the more hardy type ignored the rain. The Motor Museum proved a real memory jerker, starting with the old AA box. I well remember the AA man on his motorbike and sidecar, giving a salute to all drivers whose car displayed the AA badge. The quality of the exhibit in the museum was first class and much enjoyed by all. Definitely worthy of another visit. We had no further rain, so our visit to Ambleside Garden Centre was most pleasant. The orchid displays were breathtaking, the colours difficult to reproduce.
There's a bit of interference back here, George, is it you?
The first thing I want to do is ask the fixers to come down and do the body parts demonstration, please. I'm doing this in my privileged position as president for a year, but I don't know where the privileges are. You don't handle any cash in your position as president. The chairman handles all the cash and he's the only one that can make a bob or two out of things. I make nothing. What is more, I was nearly first in the restaurant and I was the very last to be served. So I won't be volunteering next year to be president. It's a one-year thing. But I do hope to tighten things up in my year of office. Now, which of us would have expected in this miserable summer to get a day like this for the club outing? Nobody would have thought of it. And it takes a genius to choose a day like that in a summer like this.
That's the big Bill Road.
So that proves he's the most highly qualified man in the club to do the job he's doing.
Yes.
I won't say any more on that point, just long may he continue. So let's put our hands together. Thank you, Bill and Shirley.
The mystery of the meal venue took us to the Horse and Farrier Inn at Threlkeld, where our host made certain that we would require no more food until breakfast time. Our thanks again go to Bill and Shirley for a great day out.